Welcome! In this video, you're going to learn how to prevent people from tagging you in photos on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature has changed a little in the new update, so let's go through the exact steps you need to follow. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your X account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on your homepage, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots in a circle. From the options that appear, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account preferences and privacy controls are located. Next, on the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Safety. This section focuses on everything related to who can interact with you and how your content appears across the platform. Under Privacy and Safety, find and select Audience, Media, and Tagging. This is the area that controls who can see your posts, what media settings are active, and how tagging works on your account. Now, click on Photo Tagging. In this new update, X made the setting easier to locate and manage. You'll see a few different options here. To completely prevent others from tagging you in photos, simply disable the photo tagging option. Once it's turned off, no one will be able to tag your account in any photos shared on X. If you ever decide to allow photo tagging again, you can return to the same setting and adjust it to either allow tagging by anyone or only by people you follow. But if your goal is total privacy, keeping the feature turned off is the best choice. That's it. You've successfully learned how to stop people from tagging you in photos on X using your PC. Make sure to explore other privacy options while you're there to keep your account secure and personalized exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching.